Hey guys, what's up? Are you planning to learn Python but you don't want to buy the paid courses and you are also not liking the free courses on YouTube? Then this video is for you. In this video, I'm gonna show you some of the best Python courses provided by Google, and these courses are absolutely free. So before starting the video, make sure to punch the subscribe button to watch latest coding, game development and devlog videos. At first, open your favorite browser, in my case it's Chrome, and then search for Google Digital Garage. I will also provide the link in the description box, so don't worry. I suggest you guys not to go to the website right now as you may mess up things. First, watch the video carefully, understand everything, and then go to the website. This is the place where Google provides all its courses. Click on the Get Started to go to the courses page, and here are all the courses. So click on the Data and Tech filter, and here are all the tech related courses provided by Google. Here, one disadvantage is that they don't provide search bar, so you have to manually search all the courses. This is the first Python course provided by University of Michigan, and the course is of 12 hours. This is a Python basics course which is also provided by University of Michigan, and the course is of 16 hours. Scrolling down, this is another Python course, Introduction to Python Programming, and the course is of 25 hours. Here was one more data analysis course. Yeah, this one. This is Learn Python Basics for Data Analysis, and the course is of 12 hours. These were all the courses provided by Google. In the future, they might add more courses to this. And yeah, that's all. Thank you for watching this video till the end. Don't forget to subscribe, and bye bye.